Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Adrian. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. On the channel, we talk about everything from health to promoting self-development. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an update with my progress in terms of my body transformation, I guess. 2 months ago in early August, I stepped on the scale and I was 174.3. I was not really having that much energy. I guess I'm not trying to rhyme there, but yeah, I didn't have that much energy. My weight was starting to progressively get higher. And I just really was not happy with where I was at. I don't know, it was kind of crazy because once I stepped onto the scale, I just ended up saying, you know what, I'm not happy at where I'm at and I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it. So anyway, speeding up to October 26th today, I'm officially 159.3. So I've officially lost about 15 pounds. And honestly, I'm really happy about it. I'm really glad that, I pretty much kicked myself in the butt and I just started doing it. I started eating healthier. I started working out, I started exercising, and yeah, just with dedication, I pretty much improved my health overall, and now I feel like I'm, much happier with where I'm at physically and mentally. So one of the things I ended up doing in order to pretty much get into a good state of mind in, losing this weight, kind of like coping, with not really having as much junk as I would have typically have had, I was meditating. And meditation for me is like a really big thing because it kind of gets me in touch with my inner self. I really get to discover, how I'm feeling, the reasons why I may be feeling what I'm feeling. So instead of, getting stressed and going to go binge eat until I was full, I actually just pretty much try to control myself. And I feel like if you're gonna end up losing weight, you need to have some kind of a strong mindset. For me, I believe this, that your body is only as strong as your mind. So if you're not really, focused, if you're not really willing to actually put yourself under control, you're not gonna get to the place where you wanna get, physically with your body. So you need to be able to control those urges. And through meditation, it helped me overcome my urges. I'm not gonna lie, I still have those moments where I overeat. But the thing is that those moments when I do overeat, I don't beat myself over the head and say, you know what, F it, I'm gonna just keep eating. Or I just pretty much wallow in self-pity. I dust myself off and I say, you know what, it's okay, I binge eat right now, but I just need to make sure that I catch myself next time. And I'm human, and I can do this. And I know that I could do this. So meditation helped me in that way. So yeah, that was one of the ways that I did it. Another thing that really helped was that my girlfriend actually started introducing me to alternative, ways of eating. So I know it sounds so simple, but I was just pretty much having steak and rice. There's nothing in between it. There's no, vegetables or anything like that, like just steak and rice. And now she ended up, introducing like, oh, well, why don't you put some avocado in there? Why don't you put some lettuce in there? Why don't you put some tomato in there? And honestly, it has really, changed my life in that way, that those little changes end up giving you more energy. You know what I mean? Just putting in the little things. Maybe instead of eating white bread, I could have whole wheat. Maybe instead of having 2% milk, I could have almond milk. Something just healthier, so that I don't have all this sugar just going into my system. It was a really awesome thing because as soon as I started eating healthier, I started seeing improvements in my energy. Little by little, obviously. And wow, I didn't think that, just switching up those little things in my day or adding those certain little things in my food, would actually have such a big benefit. So I have to thank her for that so much. It really changed my perspective on things. So now if I'm having anything, I always try and add at least a healthy component to it. Now I'm just adding in a lot more healthy foods, and noticing, especially through my 36-hour challenge that I did. I'll go ahead and link the video down below. That video showed me so much that at the end of that challenge, I had absolutely no energy. I couldn't even hold up the phone to actually record myself. And it was a little bit ridiculous. It was like, oh my God, if I don't have food, I'm dead. I'm pretty much dying. I don't have any kind of energy. And so it just really showed me that having alternative foods can really push me forward and actually help me mentally and physically. So I really have to thank her for that. Also adopting IF as a lifestyle. I actually was thinking that I was just gonna do it for a little bit. IF being, intermittent fasting. I'm currently doing a 16 to 8 hour fast. I don't always, follow through with it, obviously. So what I do for that is that I eat at 12 and then I stop eating at 8. And then the rest of the time is pretty much either just, waiting a little bit for food or just going to sleep. And sleep actually helps a lot with it because it's like, damn, now I don't even really need to think about the food because yeah, I'm asleep. IF is actually a really big thing because since I discovered it about a month ago, I actually learned that it could help boost ketones in your body, which promotes increased metabolism, which in turn you'll end up burning more calories. And it's kind of like a calorie deficit lifestyle, so you're not really having as much calories during the day. So yeah, I'm burning a lot more calories now doing it than if I wasn't doing it. So I really like it. It seems kind of like a hack, like a body hack, but I will take what I can get. So thank you, IF. And then the last thing that I wanted to say, as in things that helped me, lose the weight, was that having a positive attitude. Now, positive attitude is something that, I think that can help us in every aspect of our life whenever we're nervous and feeling like we're not going to be able to do it. Even though you might fail, even though you might fall on the floor, you need to keep pushing and know that, you can do it. You need to believe in yourself. I don't know, I just feel like having a negative attitude, I would have never been able to get through it. Because if I say that I can't do it, then I literally can't do it because I have it in my mind that I can't do it. So if you have a strong mind, then you have a strong body. So I believe that I can do it. I know that I can do it. I know that I can, transform my body ever more, not just my body, but my mind. I actually want to become kind of I want to be really calm when situations are high and stuff like that. I just want to become like a better version of myself, if anything. Self-development, right? On top of having a positive attitude, the one inspiration that I had so much was it was that scene from Guardians of the Galaxy. Guardians of the Galaxy. I'm sorry about that. Guardians of the Galaxy, in which Chris Pratt is pretty much put in that space prison or whatever, and he doesn't have a shirt on, and he turns around, and he's like, he's all like, oh, you assholes and stuff like that. Seeing his body, I was like, oh my god, I want that. I want that for myself. I saw it when it first came out, and I thought to myself, that is the ultimate freaking thing. It looks so awesome, how he had it. So honestly, I want to get to that point one day. I actually want to be able to get to that point where I have kind of that kind of body, and I think that makes me happy. That is a goal that I have right now for myself. I want that. So yeah, those are the 4 things that pretty much helped me to get to here. And I'm gonna give you guys some more updates in the future. Maybe in 2 more months I'll go ahead and give you guys an update. I'm still pretty much researching on stuff, to see what I can do to maximize the potential, of each workout that I have. Maximize the potential of my foods, try and see what foods have fiber. Fiber is actually a really good thing to have because it helps you get rid of the toxins from your body. So anyways, I'm really proud of myself. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update, and if you want to go ahead and transform your body into something that you love, or even if you're comfortable with where you're at right now, that's awesome. Go ahead, and just do you. But if you're not comfortable with your body at the moment, and don't do it just because of insecurity. You know what I mean? Love yourself. I was doing it. I don't care, about looks on my body. I love my body. You know what I mean? I love my body when it was 174. The only thing is that I felt like I was becoming incredibly unhealthy. You know what I mean? So I just did it for health reasons. I wanted to have more energy. So please, if you're gonna go ahead and lose weight and actually have a body transformation, do not do it because of insecurity. Please do it just because of energy or health reasons. Or if you have any other, reasons, then go ahead. But I feel like it should not be for insecurity. I will say this right now, screw everybody else, who's being judgmental towards your body. If their opinions do not matter. It should be for you. I think that this is a universal thing that you would want to be healthy. So, just do it for yourself, and yeah, not for anybody else, just for you. And I believe that anybody could do it. Anybody could do it. The thing is that you need to have the will to do it. You need to have a positive attitude. And this is just a journey for me. If people do end up seeing this later on when I do, if I do, I'm really hoping that I do have the Chris Pratt, kind of body shape, and tone and stuff like that. They'll probably think to themselves oh, well, he already had that from Giddy Up and all this. No. Yeah, I've had those moments when I've binged eaten. I'm human. I've had a bunch of failures with it. I haven't been able to lift as much as I've, wanted to, but you gotta keep pushing. You gotta keep getting into a habit of trying to treat your body as healthily as you can. So anyways, yeah, I feel like I'm kind of rambling a little bit, but I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. So yeah, those are the 4 things that really helped me: meditation, IF, alternative foods, positive attitude, loss of 15 pounds since the beginning of August up to now, October 26th. And I'm really proud of myself. You know what I mean? And I'm just gonna keep going and keep working at it. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you guys like the video, please consider liking and subscribing. And I believe in each and every one of you that you're able to do it as well. Just remember to keep a positive attitude. I believe in you. I'll see you guys in the next one.